Hi, I'm Allyson Manning, the proud principal of Rolling Green Elementary School in Boynton Beach, Florida.
Ensemble, n'avancez.
Rolling Green is the first Haitian Creole dual language in the state of Florida. The students are immersed in all subject areas in grades K1 and 2 in Haitian Creole. We are so excited about our fine arts program here at Rolling Green Elementary. We have an incredible STEM program where the students are learning outside in the gardens. They also are immersed in robotics, as well as we have Haitian Creole on our wheel, where the students are also learning Haitian Creole, so they are part of the dual language program, even if they are not in one of the dual language classes. We also have an incredible music program, as well as our art, where they are doing all sorts of different things with art, immersing in all the different subject areas. Thank you so much for visiting us here at Rolling Green Elementary.
Go Lions!